Just tell them na ang pinaka-importante is to be professional, to really study the script. I'm super proud of them. So, of course, I'm proud of them. I asked her if she wanted me to come today kasi alam mo naman sila. Actually, ayaw niya kami nag-visit pa sa taping, parang nako-conscious pa siya. So, I let her be. I want her to do this independently. So, she said she wants me to be here, kaya I'm here. Siyempre, support.
Ano yung unang-unang billing ninyo ni Guy kay ICNK?
Well, ang una, marami kaming bilan. Admittedly, maraming bilan. Pero I just tell them na ang pinaka-importante is to be professional, to really study the script well. Kapag pupunta ka ng set, you have to be prepared. Second, of course, lalo-lalo na when it comes to pakikisama sa cast members, sa staff, from the director, the producer, hanggang sa utility, yan. Parating pangaral ni Gary yan. Because aral sila galing sa kay Gary na talagang you really have to be humble at yung pakikisama yun. Nakakahiya kasi syempre, di ba, if, dahil hindi naman porket they grew up in this industry and mga anak namin sila, kailangan yung pakikisama nila hindi mawala.
Give parang tips to
actually, yes, kasi there was one scene that Gabby wanted help with. So, medyo may problema kasi siya syempre sa Tagalog content. Pero she can speak Tagalog. And siguro it helps na itong script nila Tagalog. So, nakakatulong na nag-hone ng Tagalog niya. Yun lang emotion. So, ang naging tip pa lang kasi sa kanya, and even before, narinig ko sa mga acting coach, is to pronounce the words slowly, wag magmamadali. Yan ang usual kasi sa mga bagong artista eh. When they say their lines, nagmamadali sila. So sabi ko, namnamin lang niya yung sinasabi niya. Intindihin niya yung sinasabi niya para alam niya kung paano i-deliver. So I think it helped naman.
If I'm understanding, si IC is done with school, pero si Gabby, she's still
Ice is done with school. Gabby is in second year college. So medyo siya ngayon, juggling school and work.
Do you see yourself acting with them? Or doing...
I actually want to, syempre. I don't know if they want to yet. Hindi ko alam kung ready na sila. Pero hopefully, we'll be given a project na bagay sa amin at sana magkasama kami. That will be a dream come true.
Yung youngest mo na lang, is she showing signs na interested?
Honestly, hindi. Honestly, wala. Sabi niya wala daw, ayaw niya. Pero she's also into the arts. Parang actually, i-influence namin sila ni Gary. Growing up, we would always tell them na ayaw niyo ba mag-lawyer? Ayaw niyo ba mag-doktor? Wala ba mag-doktor sa inyo? Wala ba mag-architect sa inyo? And they all are geared towards the arts talaga. So maybe, syempre of course, they were exposed to this life. So hindi natin maiiwasan na dito rin talaga sila na mapupunta. So kahit si Bunso, ang gusto nun fashion.
Medyo
and fashion and feeling ko bagay siya behind the scenes.
And lastly sa akin, napansin ko kasi, they parang seem reserved, pero they're also confident. They appear to be confident. Ano sa tingin niyo yung secret parenting
Secret parenting? I don't know if there's such a thing as secret parenting. But with me kasi, alam ko lang sa akin, I've always been a hands-on mom. So, sometimes, not to a fault. But then, now I'm learning to kind of let go and give them their sort of independence. Kasi ngayon nga namin na feel ni Gary, may mga times na kami, empty nesters. Because the kids have started living in a condo near the school, ganyan. So, slowly, nililet go ko na. Kahit na ayoko, kahit masakit sa akin, kahit na mahirap, kailangan. So, I have to, kailangan, magtiwala ako. kailangan magtiwala ako sa the way ko pinalaki sa kanila. So they all, actually, yung mga bata, that's what they tell me. Sabi nila, you should trust us. Diba? Trust the way you raised us. Yun. So, yun.
Pero sa mom po ba, may share kayo na parang non-negotiable for now. Nagagawin ng daughter po.
Non-negotiable. Well, ako ang non-negotiable sa akin talaga is still to spend time with us. Kasi ma-limit na marinig mo sa kanila. Of course, parang goal nila is, I want to have a condo, I want to have a place of my own, I want like this, I want like that. Ang sinasabi sa kanila, non-negotiable pa rin yung family. To spend time with family. There should be a time for family once a week. At least once a week. Although kami, hindi pa naman kami umaabot sa hindi nakikita. So most of the time, nakikita pa rin kami. Pero kasi I know of families na sa sobrang busy nila, talagang yung Sunday yung sacred sa kanila. So I think that is non-negotiable for me. Pero walang Sunday, minsan Saturday, minsan Sunday. So yun.
Thank you.
Thank you po.